Okay. So again, have you received have you received massive value from the my training course? Yeah, please continue.
Yes, I have received.
I have received.
Like I've been doing everything wrong since the beginning. Like I don't know anything. Everything I thought I knew, it's not what it's supposed to be done about marketing and selling of my products, especially the Facebook and the Bing ads. I once tried Bing ads, but I didn't make any money. I tried buying traffic from Udemy, something called that. I still didn't get value. I didn't even get one sale, no sales, no nothing. But I saw there is one Facebook, the Facebook training where you talk about. I introduce myself. I show people the value of my products. Then I start selling to them. Because mostly I used to sell before even telling people what I do, what is this, what is all that.
Okay. So now you, because you're on the module 8 of the training, are you
Yeah.
feeling more confident about your vision with Bing ads and Facebook ads?
Yes.
Did you
Yes. Yes.
understand? Did
Yes.
you understand the meaning of funnels?
There are some the funnel now. There is where there is a little bit of challenge because I have an account with Max Bounty for CPA.
Mhm.
I've never like get. I've never even got $1
Okay.
because I don't know the part from after I make the funnel, how to send traffic, how to get the emails, how to. But I saw that there's a system you use which can help me to do that.
Okay, okay. So I really appreciate you receiving massive value. I'm also you're going to send you the details on how you can start earning from Max Bounty as well. And thank you for giving me your feedback on this.